Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you super healthy cabbage fry recipe that gets done in literally 5 minutes. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make fried cabbage curry in 5 minutes. The main ingredient of course is cabbage, and I have taken half of a big cabbage or 3 cups of finely chopped cabbage. In a pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake the pan like this so that the oil spreads evenly. Now add about a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 green chili, and you can increase this number if you like it more spicy, some ginger finely chopped, 1 to 2 strings of curry leaves, and some hing. Give this tempering a quick mix. Ginger adds a good flavor to this curry. Next add some turmeric powder, some red bell peppers, and some green bell peppers. I've added the bell peppers solely for the color purposes. These are totally optional. If you don't like them, don't add them. The flame has been on medium-high. Next add the cabbage. Now we'll turn the flame to medium as we mix everything together. Once the turmeric is well spread through the cabbage, we are going to continuously keep stirring this curry for about 45 seconds to 1 minute. Cabbage is one of those vegetables that doesn't need much cooking at all, so just cover and cook for about a minute or two on a medium flame. Open it and then just give it a quick stir. Next add salt to taste. We did not add salt earlier to avoid our curry from becoming too moist or watery. Mix it really well. Cover and again cook it for another minute or so on a medium flame. After about a minute, open and now add some sugar. This is totally optional, but I would definitely recommend it as it enhances its taste. Mix it well. Fried cabbage curry is ready. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. If you like, you can also add some fresh coconut. This fried cabbage curry will go extremely well as a side dish with your dal chawal or even a roti or even curd rice. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.